after I will be announcing our winners. Okay, so for the cash, for the sash, for the game. May we call on Kagawa Jonathan Puyo. To candidate number 6 for the bouquet. Number 6, please. Thank you so much.
And talaga, literal na bouquet.
And consolation with Ma'am B. Weston. Hindi mo ko na. Consolation prizes.
Magayon daw yun. Magayon siya, fur. Ayun, magayon na nga buot.
Thank you so much. And credit number 5, Ma'am B. Weston. Together with Kagawa Boyet Lenyado. For the bouquet. Alright, also to nominate candidate number 1 for your contract Balagbat 2024 second runner-up. Sino kaya? Is it candidate number 2, 3, or 4? To be presented by Kagawa Moises Perez.
Yeah.
And our second runner-up is candidate number 4. We are still waiting for the presenters. For the meantime, pwede po ba kayo sa gitna? Dalawa.
Ala! Alam dyan mga pamira. Iyo, kasi alam talaga niya.
Alright. And now we only have 2 women standing. Can you please go here? So, siyempre may pahawak naman po ba? Hawak kamay po kayong dalawa. Alright.
Ala!
And our Mrs. Palapa, I will be announcing first the first runner-up. Ibig sabihin, ang hindi ko tinawag na number will be the Mrs. Palapa 2024. Okay? And your Mrs. Palapa 2024 first runner-up
Is 3.
It's you, candidate number 3. Municipal Kagawa B.E.S.T. Maraming salamat po.
Alat lang kung nasa atianan. Direct pa daw sa ano ka ba?
To be presented by Mabimba. And of course, for our winner, the presenter will be Municipal Kagawad, Sir Apple Flores, and SK Chairman Jean-Marie Cabase, and Ma'am B. Yosef.
Very supportive pa ang boss niyo. Mahal tong mga.
Okay na, so first pick na
Very supportive pa ang boss niyo. Mahal tong mga.
All right, congratulations, candidate number 3. And finally, our newly crowned Mrs. Balabag 2024 is candidate number 2. Zone 1. And with our previous winner, kayo po ang magbibigay ng crown, bigyan natin ang crown. Dito po, may trophy with a cash prize of 10,000 pesos. Coming from Municipal Development P. Ilsen. Next up, we're going to have a photo op with our judges, with our 3 winners.